Security showdown, Ring or Blink? Which one truly protects your home in 2025? On the left, Ring, comprehensive, feature-rich security for smart homes. And on the right, Blink, affordable, simple cameras with impressive battery life. Let's skip the buzzwords and focus on what really matters. We'll score each category and reveal exactly who comes out ahead. The winner might surprise you. All right, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Here's the mind map of everything we're comparing. Price, camera and equipment, battery and power, smart home integration, monitoring and security, night vision and audio, and storage. I know, that sounds like a lot, but I promise we'll keep it chill and jump from one category to the next. Let's kick this off with the first thing most of us look at, price. So Ring, honestly, it's got a premium build and tons of cool features, but you're paying for them. The upfront costs are higher, and yeah, there's a subscription if you want cloud storage and all those handy extras. Now compare that to Blink. You know what? Blink is actually super affordable, especially if you just want a basic setup. Entry cameras are the lowest price around. You get free local storage, and even if you go for a subscription, it's way cheaper. Of course, you're missing out on some advanced stuff, but if you just need solid home coverage without breaking the bank, Blink wins the wallet battle. Next up, camera and equipment. Ring is kind of a powerhouse here. We're talking over 16 models, plus floodlights, alarms, and a bunch of sensors. Motion, contact, flood, you name it. Build quality? Actually pretty sturdy. The only hiccup is sometimes the setup is a bit complicated, especially if you're stacking devices. On the other hand, Blink keeps things super simple with just the essentials: indoor, outdoor, and doorbell cams. You do get local storage via their sync module, which is handy, but there aren't alarms or all those extra sensors. So if you just want the basics, it does the job. But for an all-out system, Ring's definitely got the edge here. Moving right along to battery and power, which honestly should matter a lot more to people. So Ring offers some rechargeable batteries, plus some wired options if you like plugging things in. But, and this is a bit of a bummer, the battery life just isn't as impressive. Now Blink, oh, and here's something cool. Blink claims up to 2 years on a pair of AA batteries. That's kind of wild, right? Super low maintenance. Though not every Blink model has the same flexibility with power. Still, for sheer convenience, Blink is the winner in this category. Wait, quick interesting fact. Did you know Blink cameras can run up to 2 years on just a pair of AA batteries? Seriously, I can barely get a remote to last that long. That's a little wild. Let's talk smart home integration. If you're into Alexa, Google Home, HomeKit, or basically anything smart, Ring's your jam. It works with, like 10,000 other devices? And you can do all sorts of fancy automation. I will say, if you just want something simple, it might feel like overkill. But, you guessed it, Blink sticks with the basics. It connects with Alexa and IFTTT, which is good, but honestly, it's pretty limited, especially outside the Amazon universe. So, if you want flexibility and future-proofing, Ring's got it nailed. Okay, now for the big security stuff. Ring goes all in. 24/7 professional monitoring, video verification, built-in sirens with their spotlight and floodlight cams, and pretty sweet detection for packages, people, vehicles, you name it. Just keep in mind, you might need permits or a subscription for some features, but you're getting a lot for your buck here. With Blink, it's pretty much DIY. You get notifications and live views, but there's no pro monitoring or someone to call the cops if stuff hits the fan. That's a pretty glaring miss, so Ring obviously wins here. All right, moving to night vision and audio. Ring packs color night vision, big deal if you want to see those late night details, advanced noise canceling with two-way audio, and HDR video. Only catch, some of those pro features are only on higher-end models, so yeah, just watch out for that. Blink offers standard infrared night vision and basic two-way audio. It works, but you're missing color night vision, and let's be real, the audio isn't as fancy. So in terms of seeing and hearing clearly, Ring takes this one too. Last up, storage. So Ring gives you cloud storage if you pay for a plan, and some advanced models even do cool things like pre-roll video capture. But, and this bugs me, no free local storage. You gotta pony up. Now Blink, this is where it shines. Free local storage via the sync module. Plus, you can skip ongoing cloud fees if you want. Only thing, unlimited storage is still subscription only. But still, For keeping things simple and cheap, Blink clinches this round. Okay, so let's get a big picture look. If we stack all the categories, price, camera and equipment, battery and power, smart home integration, monitoring and security, night vision and audio, storage, you'll see Ring tends to dominate when it comes to features and flexibility. But Blink carves out key wins with affordability and battery life. So, final thoughts. If you're the kind of person who wants a full-on security system with professional monitoring, tons of devices, and smart home magic, Ring is the clear winner. But if you just need something straightforward, super easy to set up, and won't cost you a fortune, or if you hate changing batteries every month, Blink might actually be perfect for you. If you found this breakdown helpful, definitely stick around. I've got plenty more deep dives into smart home gear coming your way. Stay tuned for more smart home insights.